Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money from India to the United States using Wise. Alright, here we already have our Wise account as you can see here. Okay, and what we're going to do is very easy. To send money to the United States, what we have to do is quite simple. We're going to log into our Wise account. Once registered, we'll click the send button, which is right here, and when we click here, this will appear. These are the parameters of the transfer. Here, if we carefully enter a specific amount of money into the designated field, we will clearly see that the precise amount we are intending to send will indeed change accordingly, okay? This adjustment reflects the real-time calculation of the transaction. It will change depending on the country. In this case, you have to select the United States in order to send money there, right? So you can see here how much that would be reflected as in the currency of the United States, which is usually the dollar. Here, once this is done, we're going to change the payment method. That is how we're going to pay for this transfer. And well, after that, it will ask us or prompt us to specify who the money is for. We need to specify in here. We absolutely have to add the complete and accurate recipient's bank details, including their account number and sort code, to ensure a successful and secure transaction. We add the recipient's bank details, and then we send the money. It's something very simple to do and you won't have any major issues with it. If this video helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.